In this video, we will show you how to convert number to words in Microsoft Excel. Have you ever seen similar like this? When we type a number like this, you can see it's auto-convert using words or sentences. You can see there. Okay, how to create something look like this in Microsoft Excel? It's very easy. I will show you how to do that. Okay, 10,200,011. Okay. To create this, we will close this first. Okay, we will close this Microsoft Excel. Then let's create one project in Microsoft Excel. Okay, and create one blank. And in here, we will make the size is bigger. Okay, for example, we will put the number in here and make sure this format is using currency. Let's using currency. And in here, we can using the decimal places also if we want. Just click OK. So this is, for example, 100 like this. Let's put in here. Now we will convert this number or currency into the text here. How to do that? First in here, you can right click on your sheet and view code. After that, click insert here and select module. After you open the module here, you can just copy this script. We will put this script into the pinned comments for the link, so you can just copy the script on there. Okay, just see on the comments we will put in there. You can see this script. You can get this script. After that, you can click save in here. Then you need to save the Excel as macro. Okay, just select the Excel macro enable workbook. For example, number to word. Okay, make sure the extension is XLSM and click save. We can close after that. And in here, we already saved the number to word.xlsm. We can try using the number to words. This is the formula. Okay, then you can block this and you can click tab or enter. 100. Okay, for example, this is 200. And let's just scrolling down here and make sure all is on center. And let's see the formula result. Okay, 100, 200, 300 until 900. After that, let's see. Okay, let's see again in here. Okay, you can see 1100, 1200, and until you can also using random 100 billion 974 million 8. Okay, you can see it's very long, and this script or formula can handle until the trillion. So don't be worried to using this script if your number until trillion. And that's all. Tutorial how to convert number into words in Microsoft Excel, and it's very easy. Hope this video helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And once again, you can get this script. We will put the link on the comments, not on the descriptions. And thanks for watching. Hope this video helpful for you.